Hi Coyotes, Mrs. Polk-Meek here. One of my favorite things to do during the Christmas season is to sit in front of our Christmas tree at my home and to read books with my children. And I thought that I would read a couple of books with you this afternoon. And the reason I'm doing this is, number one, I love to read, and I love to know that all of our Coyotes are readers. And number two, I wanted to remind everybody of our wonderful Christmas with Santa on December the 22nd. And there are all kinds of activities, but one of the things that we're going to have an opportunity to do is provide every Coyote that comes with a free book. Most of them are about Christmas or winter. So I won't take a lot of your time. I'm going to read this really great book. It's called Snow. We can all appreciate snow a little bit. Some of us appreciate it more than others, and probably by February we'll all wish that there wasn't any more. Snow is written by Marion Dane Bauer. And again, I always talk about it, but those are some pretty sweet illustrations. All right. The winter world is cold. Picture that. The trees are bare, the grass is brown. Very true. Gray clouds crawl across the sky. Oh, it can seem so cold and lonely sometimes in the winter. I like that he has his buddy, though, his dog, with him all the time. Clouds are crystals of ice. Each bit of ice clings to a speck of dust. Really cool. I bet some of you have been learning the science of snow and ice in your classrooms before we go on break. The specks of ice and dust cling to one another. They grow so heavy that they drop from the cloud. And I bet you already know what we call that. Snow. Look at that. Oh, but look, they're so cold and the wind's blowing. When the air is very cold, the snowflakes stay small and bright. When the air is not so cold, the flakes grow soft and larger and larger. Oh, look, he's taking advantage of the snow. Maybe over break we'll have some snow and you can build a snowman. They grow big enough to catch on your mitten or on your tongue. You know what? If you check our Facebook page, you'll see some Coyotes in Ms. Angelucci's class catching the first snow of the winter on their tongue. Kind of cool. Look at the puppy. I think the puppy might be my favorite. Have you noticed how their expressions have went from cold and sad to now they're smiling and happy? Kind of neat. Each snowflake has 6 sides. They come twirling to the earth in a billion different shapes. A billion different shapes. That's a lot of shapes. Snow dresses the trees. Snow covers the grass. Snow keeps the flowers warm through the long winter. I had never thought about that. So snow helps protect the flowers that are underground that'll come back in the spring. That's kind of cool to know. When spring comes, snow melts into puddles, into rivers. There you go. See the change in the weather? It's getting green and sunnier. Little guy looks pretty happy. Into lakes, and gives the earth a fresh, cool drink. So we have to have snow in order to get spring. But while winter is here, snow makes the cold world beautiful. Look at that. And so much fun. Cool. And this book has a lot of really neat facts in it. All right, Coyotes, we hope to see you on December the 22nd. You'll get your cards home on Wednesday. It tells you what time to come. Free pictures with Santa, free breakfast, lots of fun activities. Thank you, Starshines.